Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on and off silent mode on iPhone in two ways. And here's how it is done. The first and simplest method is to use the small button on the side of your phone. If you pull it toward yourself, you will switch to ring mode. Pushing it away from you toward the back of the iPhone will activate silent mode. So remember, toward you for ring mode and away from you for silent mode. However, if the button isn't working or if it is blocked by your case, there is another way to toggle it without using the physical button. Let's go to Settings, scroll down a bit, and tap on Accessibility. Once we're in there, look for Touch about halfway down and tap on it. Then scroll to the very bottom and select Back Tap. This feature allows you to tap the back of your iPhone to perform various actions. For example, tap on triple tap and choose Mute. This means that whenever I triple tap the back of my phone, it will toggle silent mode on or off. So when I tap three times, ring mode is activated, and tapping again will turn on silent mode. You can also set it to double tap if you prefer that instead of triple tapping. That is everything you need to know about how to turn on and off silent mode on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.